Hello everybody! Welcome to your breakfast lesson. So the first thing that we are going to be working on today is we're going to be playing the A major scale and we're going to be talking about musical notation. I'm sure a lot of you have seen this before. This is the musical staff, that's the treble clef, and these are all notes. So musical notation is a way that musicians communicate to each other. That means if you know how to read this, you know what to play without anybody even showing you or telling you. So we're going to work up to learning how to read this musical staff. And the way we're going to do that is starting with the rhythms. So we are going to play the A major scale using quarter notes. And the first thing I'm going to do is show you what that sounds like. And then we're going to play through it together, and then we're going to talk about what that means. So all you need to do is count with me. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we'll play open A. 3, 4, first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll to E. 2, 3, 4. First finger. 2, 3, 4. G sharp. 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, and then back down. So let's try that again. We'll go slow. I'll try and slow down and call out the names of the notes and make sure we get our fingers in the right place. But we're going to be playing each note for 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I want you to count it out loud when we say this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, open A. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger down for D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll to your E string. Play open E. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger down for your F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger down for your G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, and put your third finger down for your A. Really good job. Now we're going to go back down. So keep your third finger down. We're on our high A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that third finger off. We are on our G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that second finger off. Now we are on our F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that first finger off. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll to the A. Put your third finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger down. Take your third finger off to your C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your first finger down. Take your second finger off. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your first finger off. Open A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job, you guys. You guys just played the A major scale using all quarter notes. Mambo, mambo. Can you come over here and give them a round of applause for me? Yay! Quarter notes. So a quarter note is in 4/4 time, which is the timing that most music that we're going to be playing is in, for now, is 1 beat. So there are 4 beats in a measure. A measure is this small increment of music. Do you see how each one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3? Oh, wait, this one doesn't. Don't worry about this. This is just a scale. Look at these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. For our purposes, 4/4 time, there are 4 beats in a measure. So that means if we're playing every beat in the measure, this might sound a little complicated. It's easier than you think. We're playing 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like we did. You don't have to understand it perfectly yet. It's the kind of thing that takes time. You have to do it and play it a few times to really start understanding what it means. It honestly took me years. So the next thing we are going to play is a half note. A half note is a lot like a quarter note. Got the same tail and everything, but it's empty in the middle. And what that tells you is instead of playing one beat, you are holding that note out for 2 beats. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to play you A on quarter notes, and then I'm going to play you A with half notes. So 1, 2, here I go. Quarter notes are, okay, here's half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. Quarter notes here, half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a half note is like 2 quarter notes put together. If we were going to play the A major scale with half notes, which we are about to play, here's what it would sound like. Listen first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back down. So notice that I changed the direction of my bow on the 1 and on the 3, and that's the main thing you have to focus on. So let's go ahead and play the A major scale with quarter notes. We'll go slow again. We're going to start on the open A. So let's get into position. Let's get our bridges peeking out front, our violin under our arm. This is rest position, thumb on our violin spot. Take a big step out, turn it upside down, put it on top of our head, slide it down our shoulders. Now we're going to check our bow hold. Our bow hold, we're going to have a bent thumb on our frog. We've got our pinky on top. Got that round circle like a telescope. Get a good grip on that bow. Make your hand into a mirror. Slide it down the neck. Place your bow on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll to the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger down for F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger down for your G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now let's go back down. 3 fingers down on your E string for your high A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger down. Take your third finger off for your G sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take that second finger off. Your first finger is down for your F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll to the A. Put your third finger down. Oops, sorry, my phone's running out of batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your second finger down. Take your third finger off. That's your C sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your first finger down. Take your second finger off. That's your B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job, you guys. All right. So we have our quarter note, which is 4 beats. We have our half note, which is 2 beats. Anybody notice a pattern here? Half of 4 is 2. What do you guys suppose the count for a whole note is? Any guess? Any guesses? A whole note is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 2 half notes. A whole note you hold for 4 beats. So instead of playing the quarter notes, which is a quarter note is 1 beat, instead of going A, 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 going to hold for 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly. So, really briefly, quarter note gets 1 beat, and there's 4 of them in a measure. A half note gets 2 beats, and there's 2 of them in the measure. A whole note gets 4 beats, and there can only be 1 of them in a 4/4 measure. So check out my little pyramid here. 1 whole note equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try clapping a whole note really quick. So quarter note claps. We're going to start with quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's quarter notes. Let's do half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try those half notes again. So instead of doing another clap, we're doing this to indicate that we're still holding that note. We haven't played another note. We're holding our violin for that stroke until we clap again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really good. Okay, so a whole note is really easy when we're clapping. A whole note is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's play all the A major scale using whole notes. Open A to start. Make sure you're in position, no violin beards. Get your violin up on your shoulder. Check your bow hold really quick. Put your bow down on your A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll to E. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third finger again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open E. 2, 3, 4. Roll to A. Put your third finger down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. First finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you guys. Great job. You just played the A major scale using whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. I promise you guys this is a little confusing and intimidating, but that's mostly because it's actually very simple. Simple things are the hardest to explain. It's like try to imagine how to tell somebody how to breathe. It'll sound really complicated, right? But when you're actually doing it, it's much easier. So just keep trying and doing your best.